Welcome to Eggy Pal Edu. Today, we're going to solve a number mystery that looks tricky at first, but turns out to be surprisingly simple. All you need are two skills you already know: splitting numbers apart and subtracting. Let's get started. Here's our first question. How many numbers are there from 15 to 37? Before you scroll ahead, pause for a moment and take a guess. Think carefully, because this one has a little surprise waiting for you. A lot of people try this. 37 minus 15 equals 22. It seems like the obvious way to solve it. So, is the answer really 22 numbers? Let's check by counting them ourselves. Let's count them one by one, starting at 15. 15, 16, 17, 18, and so on, all the way up to 37. Go ahead and count along with me. Every single number counts! When we count all the way from 15 to 37, we actually get 23 numbers. Surprise! That's not 22! So where did our first guess go wrong? Let's figure out why. Here's a better way to think about it. There are 37 numbers total if we count from 1 to 37, but we don't need to count every single one. Some of them we can skip completely. The numbers we skip are 1 through 14. Let's count how many that is. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 14. That's 14 numbers we don't need at all. Now watch this. The number 37 can be split into two parts. The part we skip is 14, and the part we actually count is 23. Splitting numbers apart makes hard problems much easier. Here's the big idea. Take the total number and subtract the part you're skipping. 37 minus 14 equals 23, that's it. That's the whole trick, and you already knew how to subtract. Let's double-check our answer. Does 37 minus 14 equal 23? Yes, it does. Both ways give us exactly 23 numbers. Here's the part that trips people up. 15 is the very first number we count, so it belongs in our answer, not in the part we skip. That's why we subtract 14, not 15. Let's use this idea in real life. Imagine a book that goes from page 23 to page 40. How many pages do you need to read? 40 minus 22 equals 18. That means you have 18 pages to read. Not so bad. See? Problems that look tricky become easy once you split the number and subtract. You already had this skill inside you the whole time. Now, let's put it to the test with 3 more problems. Practice time. Here's your first challenge. How many numbers are there from 4 to 12? Pause the video, use what you just learned, and give it your best try. Let's check it together. From 1 to 12, there are 12 numbers total. We skip 1 through 3, which is 3 numbers. 12 minus 3 equals 9. So there are 9 numbers from 4 to 12. Great job. Let's try a bigger one. How many numbers are there from 12 to 47? Take your time. Split the number and subtract. Let's check. From 1 to 47, there are 47 numbers total. We skip 1 through 11, which is 11 numbers. 47 minus 11 equals 36. So there are 36 numbers from 12 to 47. You're getting really good at this. One more challenge, and this is a big one. How many numbers are there from 50 to 100? Think about what you skip and what you count. Let's check. From 1 to 100, there are 100 numbers total. We skip 1 through 49, which is 49 numbers. 100 minus 49 equals 51. So there are 51 numbers from 50 to 100. Fantastic work. Remember this simple trick. Split the number. Subtract the part you skip. Then solve. You already had everything you needed to solve problems like this. I hope this video helps learners learn and educators teach better. This video builds mathematical structure. But motivation and curiosity come from great teaching. That part belongs to educators. Great job today. See you next time. Bye-bye. Eggy Pal Edu.